Hello, welcome back to Brightstar channel. Do you guys miss me or not? 2 weeks no see. I'm sure you're missing me lah, right? Give you a love, okay? Anyway, today I've received a laptop which is having a problem. The fans will ask me to help him to solve the problem. Let's check it out. What's the problem? I see. Power on, no display. Do you know how to solve it? If don't know, let's check it out. If your laptop having this kind of problem, it usually caused by 3 reasons. First, RAM. Second, LED screen. Third, graphic card. So how we can know whether it's RAM problem, whether it's screen problem, whether it's graphic card problem? Alright, one-to-one explain to you. First, if caused by RAM, you have 2 solutions. First is clean up your RAM. Second is replace your RAM. So if caused by screen, what you can test is with one thing only, very simple. Just connect your HDMI or VGA to your screen or TV or projector. Just test it out whether it have display or not. And if it's caused by graphic card and usually and on major 80%, it having a snowing problem. What is snowing problem? Is like white color and having a line and not very stable. You're having a lot of annoying color. Third, if caused by graphic card, it usually will having a color issue. For example, you couldn't run a game, you're having a white line and suddenly your screen become white color, and it will be same when you connect to the projector or TV or monitor. So let's test one by one. And just now I do mention you can clean up your RAM. How to clean up your RAM? Quite simple. I'll show you on next. First, we have to open up the laptop cover. So we turn to the back and then figure out how many screws. Okay? Once you check, confirm the screw point, so you may unscrew it right now. Okay, once it's done, we open up the cover. Okay? Then we have to figure out where is the RAM, right here. So we open up the RAM first. And then take an eraser and clean it up. Just clean the yellow color parts. Alright, second one. Okay, let's plug in and check whether it's working or not. So let's switch it on. Alright, once we plug in both RAM, it's not working at all. And let's switch it off again. Let's retry up with single RAM. So once again we switch it on. And we wait for 5 to 10 seconds whether it's come up the display or not. So same issue, let's switch it off again. And we change the RAM slot. So from the second, we put on the top, which means the first one lah. So we try again, switch it on. Alright, it's same issue. So we just switch it off again. And we try to another RAM on the second slot. So let's open up and let's switch it on once again. The indicator actually is running, but the screen is showing nothing. Alright, so we same happen. Let's try last chance. So last chance to figure out whether it's RAM issue or not. So we put it on the top RAM slot. And once again we switch it on again. Alright, it is same issue. Next, we're going to test with external screen. External screen is mean whether you have the screen TV or projector. You may plug into your laptop whether its display come out or not. So let's check it out. So once we connected to your screen or projector, it doesn't show any signal on your screen or projector. It means your graphic card might have the problem. Because if the graphic card having a problem, it won't having any display on your screen or your external screen. That's the reason you need to try external screen. So if your laptop having a graphic card problem, and then I will say please send to computer shop for repairing, because it cannot be done by yourself unless you are the professional with the machine. So if you're having same problem, you may share to us how is your experience, how you solve it. Alright, if you want to repair it, you may come and look for us. We do repair as well. Alright guys, see ya.